Hey guys, welcome to SSC coaching here. So இன்னைக்கு என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா the topic is time and work. Number of persons, number of days, and here we are having number of hours. Okay, and then work. In the four we are going to see here. Okay, so look at here. 4 men or 6 women can do a piece of work in 12 days, working for 7 hours a day. So let me write here. 4 men or 6 women can do a work in 12 days, working 7 hours a day. எத்தனை work செய்ய போறாங்க? They going to do one work, a piece of work. Okay, so in how many days? The question is how many days will it take to complete twice the work as large? So இவங்க one work பண்ண இவங்க they going to do 2 work, twice the work as large as these guys. Okay, previous set of persons one work பண்ண இவங்க 2 work, இவங்க 2 work பண்ண இவங்க 4 works. Okay வா, other meaning can complete a work twice as large with 10 men and 3 women working together. Okay, 8 hours a day, working together for 8 hours a day. Okay, so here we are having men, days, number of person, days, hours and work. நாலுமே இருக்கு. So what we can do? So in the format we saw formula வந்து m1 d1 h1 by w1 is equal to m2 d2 h2 by w2. அப்போ look at here, இதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாமா இங்க? அப்போ then you be getting m1 d1 h1 okay into w2. m1 d1 h1 w2 is equal to m2 d2 h2 into w1. Just keep in mind, this is the basic formula. So we are going to find number of days. Appo number of days is equal to enna pannunga, again the same format, multiply all the values. Okay, m1 d1 h1 into w2 twice the work. Okay, so 4 into 6 into 12 into 7 into 2, multiply all these values. So divided by 4 men into 3 women. அங்கே இருக்க men, இங்கே இருக்க women multiply 4 into 3 12 plus 6 into 10 60. So இந்த men value மட்டும்தான், persons value மட்டும்தான் cross multiply and addition, remaining என்ன multiply. Okay, into 8 into w1. Okay, m1. Now just find. So here you will be having 4 into 6 into 12 into 7 into 2 divided by 72 into 8 into 1. So look at here, 6 into 12 72. 72 get cancelled. 2 into 4 8 ones are cancelled. So remaining you will be having 7. So the work can be completed by 10 men and 3 women in 7 days. Is that clear? The same thing, just multiply all the values. 4 into 6 into 12 into 7 into this W2. For that only I have written the formula here. For you to just understand. Multiply all the values. When it's coming to work, multiply the W2 work here. So divided by cross multiply and add 4 into 3 plus 6 into 10. Okay, and the value multiply with 8 into 1. Is that clear? So upon dividing, you will be getting 7 days. Moving on to next type. Next type on the wages. So wages na salary. So itna persons வேலை பார்ப்பாங்க இப்போ இவ்வளவு நாளைக்கு அவங்களுக்கு how much salary we can give. Okay. And the type of questions we can see here. So look at here. Suman can do a piece of work in 3 days. Suman was வேலையை he can do in 3 days. And Sumati can do the same piece of work in 2 days. Okay. So here both of them finish the work together. ரெண்டு பேரும் அந்த வேலையை ஒண்ணா முடிச்சாங்க. And get 150 rupees. Okay. செஞ்ச வேலைக்கு they are getting 150 rupees. Okay. இல்ல what is share of Suman and Sumati? Okay. இல்ல Suman share எவ்வளோ? Suman 3 நாள் வேலை பார்க்கறாங்க. Sumati 2 days வேலை பார்க்கறாங்க. ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் they are giving 150 rupees salary. அப்போ இல்ல Suman பங்கு எவ்வளோ? Sumati பங்கு எவ்வளோ? So let me tell in the starting itself. So salary வந்து is divided based on the efficiency. Salary is divided based on the efficiency of a person. அவன் எந்த அளவுக்கு எஃபிஷியன்ட்டாக வேலை பார்க்கறானோ அந்த அளவுக்கு salary is divided among them. So Suman can do a work in 3 days. Sumati can do a work in 2 days. அப்போ என்ன LCM இருக்கு? LCM வந்து 6. Okay. அப்போ what is the efficiency? 3 வந்து 2 times 6. 2 வந்து 3 times 6. அப்போ efficiency என்ன இருக்கு? 2:3. அப்போ efficiency of Suman and efficiency of Suman is 2. Sumati வந்து 3. Okay. So in the ratio we have to divide the salary based on the efficiency ratio. Based on the efficiency ratio of that person. So Suman Sumati efficiency எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 2:3. அப்போ 150 rupees I have to divide into the ratio of 2:3. Okay. அப்போ what is Suman part? Suman part is 2 by 2 plus 3. இப்போ we are having A is to B. Okay. What is A part alone? Which means A by A plus B. So A divided by the total. And what about B part? B by total A plus B. So again A plus B will be cancelled. Okay. So what is separately when you see means Suman part is 2 by 2 plus 5. அப்போ 2 by 5 இதான் Suman part into that salary 150. So 5 ones are 5 30s are. அப்போ 2 into 30 60 rupees. 60 rupees is got by Suman. அப்போ Sumatiக்கு remaining 90 rupees போயிருக்கும். Okay. இல்லையா? If you are getting confusion in this finding the part means what I can do here is 2:3. இது வந்து Suman, இது Sumati. Okay. Just இது வந்து ரேஷியோவா? So ratio na finalized value. அதுக்கு மேல we can't divide. Okay. So divide பண்ணாலும் should divide by same number. Multiply பண்ணாலும் should divide by same number. அப்போ ஏதோ வேல்யூ இங்க இருக்கு. அந்த வேல்யூவை டிவைட் பண்ணி தான் we are getting 2:3. அப்போ to get that value I am multiplying by some numbers. So I cannot multiply by numbers. Appo I am multiplying by x here. Okay va? Ipo Suman salary is 2x. Sumati salary is 3x. Appo இந்த Suman plus Sumati இந்த ரெண்டு வேல்யூம் ஆட் பண்ணாதான் இந்த 150 ஆ Suman share plus Sumati share add பண்ணா 150. இது add பண்ணுங்க 2x plus 3x 5x 5x is equal to 150. அப்போ இல்லைன்னா I can find x value வந்து 30. இல்லை what they asking இங்கே substitute பண்ணுங்க 2 into x 60 3 into x you will be getting 90. Suman salary 60, Sumati is 90. So note this point, salary is divided based on the efficiency ratio of that persons. So efficiency வச்சு தான் salary we can divide. Okay, with this we can move on to next one here. Okay, here we are having 3 persons. Look at here, A alone can do a work in 6 days. B alone can do in 8 days. Look at here, A alone can do in 6 days. B alone taniya vela paatha he can do in 8 days. This is 6. Okay, next one, A and B undertook to do it for 3200. அந்த வேலையை வந்து ஏபி வந்து செய்கிறதுக்கு அவங்க வாங்கக்கூடிய காசு வந்து 3200. ஸோ ஏஎன்பி வந்து இவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் வாங்குவாங்க செய்ய போகிற வேலைக்கு. ஓகே, நவ் வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் சி, ஸோ ஏஎன்பி தான் இந்த வேலையை செய்ய போகிறோம்னு சொல்லிட்டு தே ஹவ் காட் 3600. நவ் தே ஆர் கெட்டிங் ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் அனதர் பர்சன். வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் சி தே கம்ப்ளீட் த ஒர்க் இன் 3 days. அப்போ சி ஹெல்ப் வந்துச்சுன்னா ஏபிசி 3 பேரும் சேர்ந்து 3 நாளில் முடிப்பாங்க. வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் சி விச் மீன்ஸ் ஏ பி அண்ட் சி. வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் சி தே கம்ப்ளீட் த ஒர்க் இன் 3 days. ஓகே, ஏபி வந்து சி ஹெல்ப்பை கேட்டு ஏபிசி 3 பேரும் ஒன்றா ஒர்க் பண்ணி தே கேன் கம்ப்ளீட் இன் 3 days. ஓகே, இப்போது சி உள்ளே வந்துட்டாங்களா? அப்போது சிக்கு ஹவு மச் அமௌண்ட் ஷுட் பி பெய்ட்? சிக்கு எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் we have to give it. Okay, starting find the LCM of 6, 8 and 3 which is 24. Okay, 6 வந்து 4 times 24, 8 3 times 24, 3 வந்து 8 times 24. அப்போ what is the efficiency? நல்லா நோட் பண்ணுங்க. 4 என்னது? efficiency of A. 3 வந்து efficiency of B. 8 வந்து efficiency of A, B, C. So what I said previously, salary is to be divided based on the efficiency ratio of person. So efficiency of A, efficiency of B, efficiency of C என்னது? efficiency of A வந்து 4, efficiency of B வந்து 3. What is efficiency of C? இந்த 8 வந்து efficiency of A, B and C. So அப்போ A, B, C minus efficiency of A minus efficiency of B. இதை பண்ணா we will be getting efficiency of C. So A cancel, B cancel, remaining will be having C. Okay, அப்போ 8 minus 4 minus 3, ABC minus A minus 3, you will be getting efficiency of C as 1. அப்போ C க்கு 1 part we have to give. Okay, so like I said earlier, just multiply by x. So efficiency of A வந்து 4x. Okay, salary of B இது வந்து share வந்து 3x. இவங்களது x. Okay, so how much amount they going to share? 3200. அப்போ A share, A ஓட பங்கு plus B share plus C share, இதை மூணுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணால் we would be getting 3200. இந்த அமௌண்ட்ல தான் சீக்கும் கொடுக்க போறாங்க. அப்பல சி பங்கு எவ்வளோ? So 4 7 8 you will be getting 8x is equal to 3200. So x is equal to 3200 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8 400 times. So x value is 400. What is C or the share another? X one part, that is 1x. Okay. Appo C share is 400. If we are asking what is the share of B na 3x. 3 into 400. B share வந்து it would be 1200. A share வந்து 1600. ஏன்னா 4 parts 4 பங்கு. Okay. So இல்ல C ஓட share வந்து 400. Is that clear? So okay ma, with this we can just move on to next problem. So next வந்து efficiency of a person. எந்த அளவுக்கு அவன் கெப்பாசிட்டி அதிகமாக இருக்கு, how he is efficient பார்ப்போம். இங்க A and B together can complete the work in 15 days. A and B வந்து ஒன்றா ஒர்க் பண்ணால் they can complete in 15 days. So here B is 50% more efficient worker than B. Sorry, A is 50% more efficient worker than A. Oops, than B here. Okay. How long will A take to complete the work alone? How long will A take to complete the work alone? So look at here. A வந்து 50% more. அப்போ base value வந்து 100%. Base is 100%. இப்போ 100% 50% more na you be having 150% add பண்ணா 150%, which means A வந்து 150% of B. இதுதான் மீனிங் அதுக்கு. For example, A is 20% more efficient na 100 plus 20, 120% more efficient than B. Okay. Next step is to remove percentage, divide by 100. So A is equal to 150 divided by 100 of B. 0 0 cancel. 5 3s are 5 2s are, which I can tell A is equal to 3 by 2 of B. A வந்து 3 by 2 of B. Okay. So now look at here. A plus B can do a work in 15 days. So A plus B. So A plus B வந்து 15 daysல work பண்ண முடியும். So in one day எத்தனை work பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க? So in one day A plus B would have done 1 by 15. Now substitute A value here. So என்ன கேட்டாங்கல்ல? Okay. How long will A take to complete? அப்போ in place of B substitute A. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம்? So B would be here 2 by 3 of A வா. Suppose B கேட்டா அப்படியே இந்த A வை B change பண்ணிடுங்க. So in place of A put 3 by 2 B. அப்போ 3 by 2 B plus B ன்னு வரும். We can find B value. But here they are asking about A. அப்போ in place of B ல substitute 2 by 3A. அப்போ A plus 2 by 3A is equal to 1 by 15. Okay. Now just do a cross multiply here. 3 into A, 3A plus 2A va, divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 15. So 3 ones are 3 5s are 3 plus 2 you will be getting 5A va. So 5A one day la they can do 1 by 5 parts. அப்போ A alone can do 1 by 25 va. அப்போ ஒரு நாளைக்கு 1 by 22. அப்போ total work A alone can do in 25 days. Okay. A alone can do in 25 days. Okay. So A 50% more efficient na 100 plus 50. Okay, அப்போ அது which is 150 percentage. Divide பண்ணா 3 by 2. So A value is 3 by 2 of B value. Suppose in the question they are asking to find out how many days B alone can take to complete the work na, இது அப்படியே இந்த A placeல substitute பண்ணுங்க. So A நாவும் B ஆ convert ஆகும். Okay, they are asking in how many days A alone can na, அப்போ find out B here. B would be 2 by 3 of A வா, இந்த B ஆ இங்க substitute பண்ணுங்க. B value வா, you will be getting 2 by 3 of A. அதுலேருந்து we can find A value. Okay, this is called efficiency of a person. Okay, based on efficiency. So we can just move on to the last sum here. Okay, total we are having around 6 types basics, not basics, எல்லாமே இருக்கும்ல. Okay, so we can see the last sum. Okay, so here A takes twice as much as B and twice as much as C to complete a work. Okay, they together can complete the work in one day. In what time will A alone can complete the work? So look at here. இப்போ A வந்து take twice as much as B, which means A is 2 times B, and twice as much as C. So A வந்து 3 times C. Okay, to complete the work. For example, let us take C. So வந்து C வந்து can complete the work in X days னு assume பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Okay, so what about A? A can complete the work in 3x days. C வந்து X. Okay, what about here? What about B? So A value வந்து 3x. So 3x is equal to 2 into B. So from this I can get B value வந்து 3 by 2 of x. 3 by 2 of x. இதுதான் A can do, B can do and C can do. Okay, இப்போ they work together, can complete the work in one day. அப்போ A, B and C they gonna complete one day la work. அப்போ in one day la they gonna complete 1 by 1. So இங்க வந்து we can find using 1 by 1 day work. 1 day la எவ்வளோ complete பண்ணுவாங்க, then it will be easier. Okay, so they can complete the work in 1 day. So they can complete the work in 2 days na, for example, அப்போ 1 day la 1 by 2 னு சொல்லுவோமா, இங்க they gonna do in 1 day தான், அப்போ 1 by 1. So அப்போ A பாருங்க, A can do a work in 3x. அப்போ 1 day la A can do 1 by 3x. Solve using 1 by n type. Second வந்து B can do in 3 by 2x, or இதை I can tell as 1.5x னு சொல்லலாமா. B can do in 1.5x. அப்போ 1 day la 1 by 1.5 னு சொல்லலாமா. So அந்த concept just keep in mind. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம், அப்போ 1 day la 1 by 3 by 2x, 1 by 3 by 2x. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும், இந்த 2 மேலே போயிடும். ஓகே, அண்ட் C வந்து can do a work in x days. அப்போ 1 day la 1 by x work he can do equal to 1 now. Okay, then what happens? It is like 1 by 3x plus 2 would go up, 2 by 3x plus 1 by x is equal to 1. So what is LCM here? LCM would be 3x. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus x how many times? 3 times. 3 into 1, 3 is equal to 1. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is equal to 3x. So from this I can get x value in the 2. From this I can get x value as 2. Okay, so x value in the 2. Upper C can do in 2 days. C can do in 2 days. Okay, A வந்து 3 into 2, A can do in 6 days. Okay, what about here? B வந்து 1.5 into 2 1.5 into 2, B can do in 3 days. Okay, so what they are asking here, in what time A alone can complete? A alone can complete the work in 6 days. B alone can complete in 3 days. C alone can do in 2 days. So here I am finding using 1 day work. Okay, A takes twice as B. Okay, next one, and A takes twice as much as C. So here I am taking C value as X. C here I am telling as X. So what would be A? A வந்து 3 times X. So B வந்து, look at here, substitute A value. A 3X and substitute பண்ணுங்க. You will be getting equal to 2B. So B would be 3 by 2 of X. 3 by 2 of X. So next point is, they together A, B, C ஒன்னா work பண்ணா they can complete the work in 1 day, which means A, B and C would be equal to 1. So அப்போ A 1 day work எவ்வளோ? A can do in next days, so 3x days. அப்போ 1 dayல 1 by 3x parts complete பண்ணுவாங்க. B வந்து 3 by 2 of x, அப்போ 1 dayல 1 by 3 by 2 of x, அந்த 2 மேலே போயிடும். C வந்து 1 dayல 1 by x. So upon solving this, you will be getting x value as 2. X value 2 ன்னு கிடைக்குமா? Which means C வந்து can do in 2 days. A வந்து 3x, so 3 into 2, A can do in 6 days. B வந்து 3 by 2 of x, அதை substitute பண்ணா B can do in 3 days. But the question asked here is, A how many days can do? அப்போ A can do in 6 days. So that's it. I think I have covered all the topic, all the types here in time and work. So இதை படிச்சாலும் it's enough for you. So like I said before, from this topic you will be having maximum 2 questions, but கண்டிப்பாக கேட்பாங்க. Okay, so it's like we are having 2 types, so always follow the LCM type, so it will be very useful. Okay, see you in next class. Thank you guys.